So today you are going to want to determine in your breakout rooms whether these plants are monocots and dicots, and then you're going to want to say why that is. So today we're looking at tulips, and with these tulips we're going to look at the leaves, we're going to look at the sepals, the petals, as well as some of the reproductive parts on this plant. So I have my trusty razor blade here, and I'm going to remove two items. I'm going to remove a flower and a leaf so that we can look at them a little bit better. And this is the one that looks the most open, so that is the one I'm going to be removing. So goodbye tulip, as well as this leaf that's right by it. Okay. I'm going to take this and put it off to the side so it's not blocking your view of me. And when I look at this stem, I will see that I have a node right where the leaf is coming out. And then the rest of the stem part that I see from here to here, that would be part of the internode. And we talked about that with the plant hormones. Now, when I look at this leaf, all the veins are parallel. So they're all going in straight lines, as you can see, kind of demonstrating with the razor blade. So we have these straight lines going on with this particular leaf. Now, as I look at the flower itself, we've looked at the flower quite a bit, and at the base of the flower, I can see that there are three petal-like structures attached at the base, and that's called, remember, the receptacle. And we talked a little bit more about that with fruits like the strawberry, and how that strawberry, that red part we eat, is basically the enlarged receptacle at the bottom where everything's attached. Now, I want you to first, in your breakout group, tell me if these are petals or sepals, this outer whorl of modified leaves. Okay, and I'm going to take them off. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now what I am left with are 3 modified leaves on the inside, also attached to that base, that receptacle. And I'm going to remove these also so we can see what's inside this flower. So 1, 2, and 3. And when I look inside this flower, I can see that there are 6 stamens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can see the pistil or carpel, which was the stigma, style, and ovary. And on the top here of this stigma, I can see that it's actually divided into 3 separate structures, 1, 2, and 3. And these are the area where the pollen grain lands. And so from this, you're going to tell me if we have a monocot or a dicot and why you think so. The next thing that we'll be looking at, and this will be on your own after class, is I will take apart these structures with my trusty razor blade, and we're actually going to look at the insides of both the female and male parts of this flower. And that part will be on your own.